Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change Hey Google sensitivity for Lenovo Smart Display. So to do that we'll need to open our Google Home, then select your devices, pick a display. Now go to this gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then we can move for the audio. Here's a sensitivity for you know what. I'm not gonna speak it out because otherwise we'll get our assistant to pop up. Now we can change the sensitivity with a slider. So if you want to increase it, make sure to go to the right. If you want to decrease it, then make sure you go to the left. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.